Hi guys, welcome to my channel Encode Decode. Today we are going to see about decimal equivalent of binary linked list. The explanation of the question is given a singly linked list with a length of n, which may contains around 5 or more than 10,000 like etc. Uh, represents a binary number. Binary number in the form of zeros and ones. It is very simple. It entirely contains zeros and ones. We must have to find what is the equivalent integer for the particular binary number, and also we have to notice if the linked list doesn't contains any value, it should be written as a zero. That is one of the constraints we are having. In addition to that, if we can say the number is very huge which can't be able to print in the particular system, so that if it in that case it will occur, right? So at the time we need to divide the value using this statement. This modulus of 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. By using this value we need to modulus the particular binary number we are having. After that value we will show to the output. That is the one of the constraints we are also having here. Okay. Before moving into that, we must have to know what is a binary number and how to convert to an integer. For example, in this case, we are having a binary of 0, 1, 1. If we are getting a length of 3, we must have to divide the first digit as 2 to the power of 2, multiply this digit in, into 2 to the power of 2, then plus multiply of this digit 2 to the power of 1 plus multiply of this digit 2 to the power of 0, which equals to 3. This is what it says. Whenever we are getting a binary value, we must have to follow this kind of formulation, convert that binary to an integer. I can show you one other example which is not mentioned here. For example, 1 1 0 1. We have to multiply this number to 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. This value gives 8. This value gives 4. We are multiplying 2 to the power of 1 with 0. So it doesn't contain any value, equals 0 plus 2 to the power of 0 in the sense it will gives 1. So the overall value will be 13. This is how binary conversion works. And another concept is a linked list. I hope you guys are aware of linked list, how it works. In case if you don't know, I will give a quick recap. Linked list is a kind of storage mechanism of the data. For example, if you are having a data of 7 in a particular memory place, which is somewhere in the our memory, but if we want to make sure that data was connected to another data like an array, this particular value contain 6. Okay, how we are going to connect is this particular place contains a address of this place. Okay, this whole thing is called as node. The first place is known as data. The second thing is called as address part. Likewise, it was attached to this particular node. The address will be contain, this place will be contain address of this node, and this place will be contain the address of another node. Likewise, it was linked to every node. So that is the reason we are calling it as linked list. I hope you guys have understand this. This is a very minimal definition of a singly linked list. Okay, let's move into the concept about what we are going about how we are going to solve. First of all, we just have to know. We just have learned out what is linked list and binary. Okay. The second thing is we have to see uh, how the iteration has been happened in linked list. Now the coding part, we are going to do is we just going to iterate one by one each and every node. Before that, we just know each and every node contains zeros and one value in the form of binary. We just have to create a temporary variable called t, just simple as temporary called t, and we are going to add those all the variable. For example, in the first variable contains value of 0 in a string format. We're going to add second value 1. Okay, adding in the sense string of 0 plus string of 1, which means 0 1. If another node having a value of 1, it will be like 0 1 1. Likewise, we are going to create a temporary variable t to the very last of the linked list. We will add all those to the element t. That is the objective. After that, we are converting this temporary variable to an integer using the inbuilt function using Python. I will show in the code. Okay, integer of this particular t. At the end, we must have to convert this integer. If the integer having a very huge data, for example, it will contains at minimum of 20 length. Okay, we can't able to show it, right? So that's why we need to divide it, give a modulus of 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. This is the concept we are going to create. I will show you how we are going to present in code wise. Yeah, as I said, we are going to pass the linked list in this following function. Okay, this following function we are going to pass head of the linked list. After that, I just want to change any head value, so that's why I have assigned another variable to head. After that, I am creating a temporary variable iter list, as I mentioned previously. If we are check before moving into the code, we are checking whether this iter value contains any binary value in it or not. If it doesn't contain any binary value, we need to mention this iter list is equal to 0. Otherwise, we are going to the next procedure else statement. If it contains nothing, we must have to give it as 0 in this place. This is the constraint given in question. After that, we are seeing we are going to move into else part. In that, we are passing iter in a while loop, whether it is having a value units. It will be passed one by one in the while loop. We are assigning an iter list plus is equal to string of iter dot data. As we said, whatever the values present in the linked list, for example 0 1 0 1 1, it will be assigned to this particular iter list. After iter list, we are making this while loop to a next memory address. Like I said, we are giving a next memory address to the particular node. We are assigning it in this particular iter list. Now it will go loop. When if the iter doesn't have a value, it will end. Okay. After that, we are making the string binary string to an integer using this statement. This is how works in Python. Finally, as I mentioned, we are providing a modulus of the particular number if it is very huge. Okay, I hope this code is explains a lot to you guys. Uh, and I believe there is multiple way to solve this problem. And one more thing, I also shared the another solution for this particular code. If you want to go through it, you can also use it. Only thing I was simplified here is this statement. It also works very good for this particular problem. You can also try on this. That's it, guys. I think this is the end of the video. If you guys want to, if you guys want to contact me, or if you guys are having any doubt regarding this particular problem, please comment in the comment section. I will try to see those and rectify those doubts. Okay. Or else, if you guys want me to contact, I will give my LinkedIn profile in this description. Please follow me there. I will try to reach you. Okay, guys. I think that's it. This is end of the video. Bye, guys. Thank you.